Do you know what we're here for?
Equal parts. Oh my gosh.
Illegal.
Holy fuck. It's almost running into this bridge right now. This bridge is in danger of collapsing. Oh shit. This road is collapsing. Jesus Christ.
They need to act fast. These residents in southwest Poland are rushing to block a fierce flow of water from entering their homes by lining up sandbags. Unusually strong rainfall and high winds have caused the nearby Biala River to surge as Storm Boris batters its way through Eastern Europe. It's disrupting other countries like Romania, particularly in the east, where hundreds of people have been rescued from villages like this one, where water levels rose up to 2 meters, flooding houses.
I tried to save a maximum of stuff in my house, but it was all lost as the water came too quickly.
Storm Boris has also raged through the Czech Republic, where almost 50,000 homes were left without electricity on Saturday, as river waters reached dangerously high levels, prompting the evacuation of hundreds.
We were ordered to evacuate, so we don't want to complicate things like getting stuck and then mobilizing someone who could be more useful somewhere else.
As Austria suspended its rail services in the east due to a risk of river flooding, and Slovakia declared a state of emergency in its capital, with authorities fearing that such extreme weather conditions are the consequences of climate change and are becoming more frequent on the European continent.
Let's turn our attention now to the floods in Central and Eastern Europe following torrential rain. Emergency services are shoring up flood defences in Central and Eastern Europe after thousands of homes were damaged. We can show you now these pictures from the city of Ostrava in the northeast of the Czech Republic. We know that the flood situation remains critical in many areas and that evacuations are ongoing. We can speak to our Prague correspondent now, Rob Cameron. Just talk us through the situation where you are now, Rob.
Well, I'm here in the capital in Prague, and it looks and feels pretty bad, but actually the situation here in Prague is perhaps not as critical as elsewhere in the country. Certainly in parts of northeast Moravia, in cities like Ostrava, towns like Opava, Krnov, Český Těšín, there they are evacuating thousands of people, with one town high up in the mountains, Jesenic, has been completely cut off. With the roads and the railway lines completely submerged by the flood waters. So many thousands of people now being evacuated from their homes. Most people are doing so willingly. Unfortunately, some people have refused to leave their homes, and so now we're seeing reports of army and police helicopters circulating those villages and towns along those rivers, trying to save people who refuse to leave their homes and now find themselves stranded in them. The meteorologists say that actually we have seen something like 80% of the precipitation that was due to fall over the country this weekend has now fallen, so perhaps the worst is now behind us here in the Czech Republic, but of course 4 people still missing from these floods. They were swept into the river yesterday, late last night, and the authorities don't know whether they have survived. So a dramatic picture here in Prague, but much worse across the country.
Yeah, and some of this footage looks pretty crazy, and I honestly haven't even seen all of it. So little snippets of it. Let's go to this. Jesus. That's a road? That's a fucking road? You're shitting me. Good God. Oh. I gotta say, that's a pretty optimistic thing to be doing in the middle of a flood. I mean, you do the sandbags before the flood, but in the middle of a flood, being out there filling up sandbags seems like a sort of an exercise in futility. Oh, they got drone footage. Oh, this is aftermath footage. Oh, fuck. Yeah, this fucked some stuff up. Extreme flooding devastates part of Romania. Thank you, Forbes. Very helpful. Very helpful. Chiron. Jesus Christ, why does that happen?
Oh my God.
Ia uitați, aici, uitați aici, aici și uitați că deci covoarele, totul e distrus. Uitați aici, uitați aici.
Now, I don't speak Romanian. I assume she's saying, this sucks, house is ruined. I don't know if you camera people got any money, but this is gonna need some work. It's just a guess. I really, like I said, I don't speak Romanian. She could actually be saying, this is great, this is exactly what I was hoping for. Thankfully, this flood came just in time for me to redecorate. Okay, let's go on to this. Oh, is there more? I thought that was the last one. Whoops. Let's go to Poland. Apparently Poland also got hit. Damn. This looks like fucking Brazil, dude. This looks exactly like those those images we saw of, we were just talking about. We were literally just talking about Rio do Sul in Brazil. Or at least I was talking about it for a second. But this, oh my God. Well, people, the water world is coming. And by coming, I mean basically here. Almost here. Not quite. We can still walk around for now. Seems fine. Hold on. Just in case anybody didn't see these pictures, I just want to show you these pictures. This was from earlier this year. This was... Click. Why won't you click? Why won't you click? This is incredibly rude. This. Here. See any similarities here? This is ridiculous. It's happening over the entire world right now. This is... Anybody? Anybody want to do something about this here?
Problem here. The county needs to step up and own it and resolve it and get this water out of here.
The guy is right. And by get this water out of here, I think they should do something about our continued destruction of the earth and seemingly our self-inflicted fucking slow destruction. Seems to be speeding up every time I look. Okie dokie. Keeping it fun. Keeping it fun. Sunday fun day. Don't worry. Don't worry. What else do we have? Wait, not yet. Alright, it's not fun time yet. Sorry. I take it back. It's not a fun day yet. Well, we'll go back to it. It's been fun, right? It's been fun at points already today, I believe. This is in Slovakia. Huh. Now, it might just be me. I might just be intuiting something that's not actually happening. But, it seems to me like due to the existence of this sort of paved area, that the water's not supposed to be here. I could be wrong. Okay.
Do you know what we're here for?
Equal parts. Oh my gosh.